There's many people posting on the internet saying that the Power app is causing deactivations. Are they providing any substantial evidence that this is actually true? We're going to talk about it right now. Hey, Hannibal here. Welcome back to the Hannibal is Hungry YouTube channel. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there, all the hard-working men out there. Being a father, going through the grind, I salute you, and I hope you guys are having a great day. As you see from the intro and the title and the thumbnail, where is the proof? Where is the proof that the Power app is causing deactivations? It's been a very interesting couple of days. I posted a video about the Power app. I actually posted a few. This is probably the more popular video. I'll put the link in right now. And I received at least 2 comments saying I got deactivated or I've been suspended. And I would respond by asking, what's the official reason? Or can you provide any more information? Because I believe more information is helpful to spread accurate, honest information will be helpful for people who watch this channel and watch other channels. We're looking for legitimate proof that this is happening. But unfortunately, I have not received it. I've posted response to those comments and not one of them responded. And it doesn't seem like it's been kind of sprinkling around the internet. People, avatars, no picture on their profile, or it was a cartoon. They'll say I got deactivated with no proof, no more information. And I also came across a Pay to Drive channel. I am a fan of the channel. I watched the video. I think I watch at least a video once every couple of days from Pay to Drive. And one of the videos, he is reading an email that he received from someone, but the person that wrote to him is not the one who got deactivated. It's someone he knew that got deactivated. So that's equivalent of me saying, well, my baby mom's sister cousin, she got deactivated by using Power. I wasn't there, or I don't have any more information, but I'm just writing to you, know that my baby mama's sister cousin deactivated from using the Power app. Now, how helpful is that information? And I'm not attacking him. I am not attacking him. I know it's going to probably come across as an attack. But it's important to provide at least accurate information. And just by preferencing, well, don't shoot the messenger, that may not be enough when people are looking for the most accurate information possible. Again, has anyone been deactivated by using this app? Do you have substantial proof? Do you have an email? You have a screenshot? You have any information? Did you get a contract violation? And it says using a third-party app or whatever. Is it any accurate information that you can provide? Please send it. Drop it in the comments below. You can hit me on IG, Hannibal is Hungry. I even made an email address. I made a separate email address from my, 15, 20-year-old Gmail address, h@hannibalishungry.com. I try to make it as simple as possible. h@hannibalishungry.com. And you can email me on a bunch of different type of things. Ideas you would like me to talk about, things you're going through in the gig economy, or just to say hi, hit me up. But we need accurate information. We all wouldn't want to know if someone's getting deactivated, right? It's very important. It can be a warning sign for other people. If the Power app is causing people to lose their place in the platform, we need to know that as soon as possible. But there's just so many people saying things without providing any proof. If you check out the Facebook group, Tip Transparency Facebook group, you hit up, you send a message, hey, has anybody deactivated? And no one is saying it. In fact, a lot of them are saying that people out there on the internet are saying that they're getting deactivated while providing no proof, as if, and this is a conspiracy theory, that DoorDash is finding ways to put misinformation out there to discourage people from using the app. Now, to go back to even using the Power app, it's a personal decision. There's no hate if you use it or decide not to. I know we got to a whole holy war. I think DoorDash Dad called it the Lord of the Rings kind of concept. It's definitely some kind of civil war where the people who are using it and the people who are not using it, and there are 2 different camps, and they seem like they're not getting along with each other. It just seems like that's happening. But this idea that we're telling people that something's happening when it's not happening isn't helpful at all. Trust me, the moment that someone gets deactivated, and it's official, we can all talk about it. I will be wrong. I don't think they're going to deactivate people because I think it's going to be a huge PR nightmare. I've already talked about it in the previous video. That's my position. I could be completely 100% wrong, but there's a difference between opinions and facts. And that's the problem that I have. So I'm not necessarily attacking Pay to Drive. I'll drop the link before in the description below of that video that he put out, and you let me know if it makes sense to you or not. I just think that's really, really important to. You don't have to cheer everything that Para is doing, but you also can't say that DoorDash is doing something if we don't have the evidence. If they have the evidence, I will make a video and say, yeah, you're right, DoorDash is purging and they are knocking everyone out. But right now, at this very moment, on Father's Day 2021, I don't see anyone being deactivated from using this app. Just simple as that. And it's important to provide, when we put our videos and we create stuff, we want to be as accurate as possible. We're not trying to do scare tactics to have people fall in our narrative of what we want everyone else to do. You lose its credibility when those type of things are happening. When you're just using your platform to scare people off. You should encourage them, but putting out information that we can't verify, I don't think that's a good thing in our space. We already have to deal with enough of that kind of misinformation, disinformation, whatever you want to call it, in our news media. That's really all I have for this video. I guess to end it really nicely, this dog that I'm holding right now, actually I've been holding the dog the whole time. He wouldn't stop yapping, so I held him in my lap so he could stop bothering me. His name is Chewy. Hey Chewy, say hi. Say hi, Chewy. Now you don't want to talk. You just want to stand there? All right, fair enough. So I had to put him on my lap to get this video done. So don't fall off my lap now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Say bye, Chewy. Say bye. No? Oh, you stink. All right. Later.